Complete set. Study steel construction ladder targets, soft touch weighted bolos in 2 team colors, yellow and green, and game rules handbook. High quality. Sturdy steel construction keeps the targets still while you play. Scoring system. Built-in scoring helps keep track of the action. Easy portability and storage. With an installation assembly is simple and quick. Great for on the go and stores away easily. Assembled dimensions. 24.8 inches W by 40 inches H. Top reviews from the United States. 5-star product. Spend the extra dollar and invest in some fun, well worth the extra dollar versus plastic versions. Not going to lie, I purchased based on other reviews but was skeptical. All for naught, we took this camping and it was a hit. Plastic versions of this game are rickety at best, often causing the entire game to simply fall apart after a couple hours, unless everything is tightened etc. This thing is a beast and requires no leg supports, it will not fall over. That was my worry. Make sure you put the supports on properly, if you don't carrying and storage isn't as easy as it could be. I'll repaint mine to scarlet and gray to match my love for the Ohio street. Buckeyes. Green Bay Packers colors aren't going to cut it. But if you're a Packers fan, you're in luck.